Studying abroad, living in Europe, exploring historic cities, walking on cobblestone streets, sipping coffee in the heart of Florence or Milan, all while earning a world class degree for free. But then reality hits. IELTS requirements, high tuition fees, endless paperwork, and your dream seems impossible. Well, what if I told you there is a country that welcomes international students from all over the world, offers fully funded scholarship, and in many cases, no IELTS is required? Yes, that country is Italy, the land of art, innovation, culture, and some of the oldest universities on earth. And in this video, I am going to take you on a complete journey through all the scholarships available for the academic year 2025 and 2026. We will cover why Italy is the perfect destination for you, top 13 universities offering scholarship without IELTS, what benefits you will receive, and how to start preparing for your dream application. Trust me, by the end of this video, you will have everything you need to take the first step towards your future in Italy. So stay with me till the end. You don't want to miss a single detail that could change your life. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell because I will share life changing opportunities like this regularly. Now let's talk about why should you consider Italy. Italy is not just a tourist destination, it's a hub for innovation, research and education. Italy has over 90 universities, most of which are public and ranked among the best in the world. Italy University don't just follow trends, they create them. Some of the world's most advanced laboratories and groundbreaking research projects are happening right now in Italy. Degrees from Italy are globally recognized, giving you a competitive edge anywhere in the world. Here is the best part. For many programs, IELTS is not mandatory. Instead, they accept alternative proofs like your previous education in English or online interviews. Plus, imagine living in a country where history meets modernity. You will walk past ancient Roman ruins, Renaissance art galleries, and breathtaking coastal lines, all while studying at institutions that have produced Nobel Prize winners and world class leaders. Isn't that exciting? Before we get into universities, let's understand what benefits these scholarships offer. Most scholarships in Italy are fully funded and cover tuition fees. You don't pay a single euro. Monthly stipend and living allowance enough to cover your accommodation, food, and personal expenses. Books and study material allowance, medical insurance, travel tickets for some scholarship, free or subsidized accommodation and meals. Some universities even offer 8,000 euros per year or up to 3,000 cash allowance. This means you can study in Italy without worrying about finances. Your main focus will be your education and your career. Now comes the next exciting part, the list of top Italian universities where you can study without IELTS on scholarships. We will go through them one by one. Take notes because each has its own unique benefits and programs. University of Padua, founded in 1222, it is the second oldest university in Italy and among the top 200 globally. Offers scholarship worth 8,000 euros per year plus living allowances, books, travel, and health insurance. Known for program in engineering, social sciences, arts, medicine, and more. Alumni include famous scientists like Galileo Galilei. International School for Advanced Studies, specialized in mathematics, physics, and neurosciences. Highly research focused aspects, about 70 PhD candidates yearly, offer fully funded PhDs and masters, often collaborating with top European institutions. University of Milan, one of Europe's largest universities with over 140 degree programs. Part of a group of 21 European research universities, home to Nobel laureates and Fields Medal winners. Strong in sciences, law, business, and arts. University of Pisa, founded in 1343, 10th oldest in Italy, famous for engineering, natural sciences, and humanities. Houses Europe's oldest botanical garden and ranks among the top 400 globally. University of Naples Federico II, Established in 1224, the world's oldest public university offers program in engineering, medicine, arts, and business. Partner with the Apple for the iOS Developer Academy. University of Turin, among the top 5 Italian universities for research, offers programs across multiple disciplines, great for students seeking a vibrant urban lifestyle. Scuola Normale Superiore di Pisa, very prestigious and selective. Alumni include Nobel Prize winners, politicians, and scientists. Offer fully funded undergraduate and PhD programs. University of Taranto, known for innovation and international collaboration, focuses on IT, engineering, economics, and social sciences. University of Florence, ranked 4th nationally, 185th globally QS ranking, offers program in arts, architecture, medicine, and humanities. University of Rome Tor Vergata, established in 1982, modern campus-based university, focus on economics, engineering, natural sciences, and medicine. University of Pavia offers a wide range of fully funded scholarship with stipend up to 7,500 euros per month. Great programs for STEM and social science. University of Calabria provides free accommodation, meals, full tuition waiver, and 2,500 to 300 euros allowance, perfect for masters and PhD students. University of Bologna, one of the oldest universities in the world, founded in 1088, offers fully funded undergraduate and master scholarships with no application fee. Now see whether you want to study medicine, engineering, social sciences, arts, or technology, there is a scholarship in Italy waiting for you. Studying in Italy is not just about education, it's about transforming your life. You will gain international exposure, access to top professors and research facilities, a chance to build global network, and unforgettable cultural experiences, museums, festivals, cuisine, and more. Employers worldwide value graduates from Italian universities because of their research focus and innovation driven education. This could be your stepping stone to an international career. So, what are you waiting for? Start gathering your documents and researching the programs today. Remember, competition is tough, so the earlier you apply, the better your chances. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and classmates. Comment below which Italian university excites you the most, and most importantly, subscribe and hit the bell icon because in our upcoming videos we will share step-by-step guides to applying for these scholarships, tips to write a winning statement of purpose, and how to secure admission without IELTS. Your dream of studying abroad is closer than you think. Don't let doubts or fear hold you back. Take the first step, believe in yourself, and let these scholarships open doors you never imagined. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the success in your journey to Italy.